Folio, iPad Air 4 and accessories unboxing. Take 2.
Hello, welcome back to the Trini and today I have a very fun unboxing for you guys. I have the iPad Air plus some accessories sponsored by my dear Abigail Anastasia. Getting straight into the unboxing. So which package should we start with?
Nice because it's not feel fine.
Ooh! The iPad Air. This is the 256 gig 4th generation iPad Air. So I'll open this last and we will open some of the accessories that Abigail got. So we have the tempered glass and I will put this on the iPad as well. So this is a USBc Hub. The new iPads come with USBc connectors and you are able to connect external devices. This is basically the connection. And you have the USB connection, micro SD, regular SD, headphone jack, another USB-C connection, and an HDMI port to connect it to an external screen. And I guess this is a protector. A regular pair of headphones, because you know sometimes your battery dies and you still want to use your headphones. A regular case when you don't feel to use your keyboard. This is really sweet packaging and they made sure it is protected, so they taped it down so it doesn't move around, so no need for the bubbles. And the box is already mashed up, so no worries. I think we know what Apple Airpods look like. Regular Apple contents. And the Airpods also comes protected. And so you have the case and the AirPods snapped in with magnets, and the charger is the regular lightning cable. And now we have the keyboards and I don't know which is which, so once I open it we can tell. So this is the LogiTech Folio Touch keyboard in grey. So you have the keyboard, touch response is nice, and you have the trackpad. So you can really use it like a computer. And then we have the Apple Magic Keyboard. And I believe this allows it to stand like a computer. So they actually have a peel where you can peel around it. So, traditional iPad packaging for the information, and you have the keyboard, and once I open the iPad we would put it in the case to see how it works. And what you have been waiting for, the iPad Air. And we don't need the knife, they have the peel so you can open easily. My extra pair of hands are coming to help me.
One eternity later.
See? Ta-da! So we got the iPad and they make it so easy. I don't need to turn it over, so it has a tab. And we got it in the space gray, traditional iPad, Apple information, the USB-C to USB-C charger, and the charging block. This is 20 watts. So unlike the phone, you get your charging block and it's a USB-C charging block, so you're fine. So high-speed charging and all that jazz. And I don't think that there's anything else in the box because this is the information. And let's see if they give you the sticker. Although does like anyone use those stickers? It's here, but it's not coming out. Got it. So you actually got two of the Apple stickers. This is the iPad and it's very thin. So let's get to opening. And this is the iPad Air space gray. You have the two speakers on both sides, USB-C charger, regular power button that is flatter and more streamlined with the iPad, regular volume rockers, and you have the magnet here for the Apple Pencil, as well as your other devices such as the keyboard and another magnetic connection here. So yeah, let's put it in the keyboard to see how it works. Apple is calling the new iPad Pros, the new iPad Airs, a computer. So in their marketing, you would realize that they are referring to it as a computer. So my thing was that the disadvantage with calling the Apple a computer is that when you're typing or you're doing work, there was never a trackpad, so you actually had to raise up your hand, put it on the screen to get to move the cursor or anything while you're typing. But now, to be a computer, they have the trackpad on their cases. So let's see how this works. And regular keyboards usually have a kickstand, you know, to make sure that it stands up. But this keyboard, they have a hinge that actually carries the weight of the iPad Air and the iPad Pro for those models. They also have the Magic Keyboard for those models. So let's see how this works. It's literally just this. And the only reason I know which way to go is because it has the space for the camera, because you can't really tell which is up and down on the iPad because there is no button. I don't know if you all saw how easy that's. This was the Magic Keyboard. Now let's see the LogiTech, or as I say, LogiTech. I don't know which one is correct, guys. Which one is correct? Although you can't comment. Could you comment and tell me how to pronounce it? Comment and tell me how to pronounce it. Help your girl, please. Okay. Let's get this in. I'm not too sure. This is a case, I guess you keep it in for some more time. It is a lot more snug and it has the protection to the sides. However, to keep it up, you use the kickstand and you have it up. Ooh. I definitely prefer the keyboard on the Magic Keyboard. Has a bit more depth to the key. This is a lot flatter, but it works. However, with the LogiTech or the LogiTech, there are the quick keys to the top, so you have play, pause, the volume buttons, brightness, to turn the keyboard on or off. However, on the Magic Keyboard, you just have your regular letter keys, the numbers to the top, no additional functions. So if you have an Apple device, once you put it next to the, so if you had an old iPad and you want to transfer everything, you don't have to back it up on iTunes or anything. Even if you didn't have an iPad before, or you had an iPhone, you can just put the phone next to the iPad and it will set it up. So it says, once I put the phone next to it, it says set up new iPad, and I will continue. And you hold the phone or the camera of whatever device over and it scans this, and you finish everything else on the new device. Was the iPad Air unboxing, and if you want to know the difference between the different iPad options, I could possibly do another video discussing the new iPad launches and the difference between them and which one you should get if you're interested in purchasing the iPad. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment